Uh, yeah, this is cannibalism. We call cannibalism. The fish have eaten the other fish. They will just remove it from the pot. So cannibalism is caused by so many factors. Yes, some include what is that like? When they are hungry and they have not gotten feed, they tend to eat their colleagues. And sometimes too, when you have not done sorting, and some are bigger and some are smaller, they also cannibalize. And sometimes when one is injured and bleeding, catfish, others will use it as feed. And sometimes when the fish are also stressed, they tend to eat each other. So that's cannibalism.
This is what we call cannibalism. It has been eaten by the other fish.